Hi, I'm Sandy Cook from Loyalist Trading Company. We have a store. It's located in Bath, Ontario. Address is down below. My husband and I have also been making preserves for the last 27 years. Today I'm going to show you how to cook with our tapenade. So today I'm going to use our Cook's Gourmet pepperoncini tapenade over top of steak. And then I'm also going to complement that with our hard cider line, the lemon garlic over top of lobster. So it's quite easy to use tapenade as a lovely marinade over top of your meats, or you can use it with your pasta like a nice pesto. So today we're going to do steak and lobster. So I've marinated the meat for about 4 hours, or you can do it overnight. So as you can see, there is lots of tapenade on top of the meat. Right now, I'm just going to scrape that off because we don't want to lose that in the grill. And we're going to start grilling. I've split the steak in half because my husband likes medium rare and my daughter and I like it more well done. So we'll put that on the barbecue for a little bit. Barbecue's nice and hot, about 400 degrees. Also have some baked potatoes on the grill. And over here, we're going to complement, we have a chive scones that we're selling at the store as well. And we're going to complement that with our homemade olive oil and balsamic for bread dipping. So if you stop into our store, we have a pretty funny story about that. About 35 years ago, when Dave and I were young, we were driving out to Tofino, flying down the highway, and all of a sudden I was like, stop! And he's like, what's going on? And I said, well, there's goats on the roof. And so we turned around and we stopped in at the store called Coombs Country Market. We took pictures. I kept the pictures in my silverware box for 40 years or something like that. And always thinking that if we were ever fortunate enough to have a country store, I wanted to have goats on my roof. Well, if you come out to our store, you'll not only find fine gourmet food products, but also 2 lovely goats dancing on our store roof. And we also, end of May, we're bringing in 2 baby giant Flemish rabbits, which makes up for a lot of fun. So it's a nice family place for people to come visit. Now that one steak is just about done, as my husband likes his steak more on the rare side. So now I've taken the steak and I flipped it. And now soon I'm going to spread all this delicious tapenade back on. Tapenade is made with olive oil, so it's very heart healthy for you. So it's a good way to get nice healthy fats into your diet, low sodium, and it's all natural. So it's good for vegans, people that are gluten-free as well. Enjoy our products because we are all gluten-free and vegan. And I'm just going to put that back on the steaks there. Heat that up a little bit. Now our lobster is going to go in about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. I kind of cheat a little bit. When I do my baked potatoes, I kind of do them in the microwave until they're just about done, and then I add them onto the grill. It's a nice little cheat that I do. So our lemon garlic dressing, it's one of the most popular dressings that we have. And it's all Ontario made ingredients, grown ingredients. So mainly apples and of course hard cider, but the hard cider gets cooked off and everybody can enjoy it. And one thing that I've used in designing, I design all the flavors. I'm really interested in food science and healthy food for people. So I use nutritional yeast in the product. So if you're vegan, or just want to eat healthy food, nutritional yeast is very high in B vitamins. So it's really good for you. So of course it doesn't have any chemicals in it, so no emulsifiers. So you always have to just give it a good shake. But even without that, after opening, it's good for like about 3 months. So now we're just going to take and we're going to flip our lobster over top. Oh, he's getting nice and colorful. And you give them a nice flip, and then we're going to pour this here lemon garlic over top and just let it cook in. Woo! He's cooking. That's looking good. Everything's looking good. Woo. All right. Just going to turn that down a little bit, speed it up a little bit for the camera. All right, everything looks delicious. So there's my hubby's medium rare steak. This one here is a little cooked a little more, and lobster. So this is an easy meal anybody can do. One thing about what we found over 27 years of making is it goes with all. In the morning, you just heat up the pan, throw in a couple of teaspoons, and throw in your eggs or omelets, pesto for your pasta, just drizzle thing, just makes the meal so much better. Anyways, thanks for joining me today, and hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.